Hi there. So today I want to talk about appointment schedulers and why your school really needs one. If you're not using one at the moment, you really should. So that's the purpose of this video, to show you why you need to use an appointment scheduler. Okay, let's do it. So the top benefits of having an appointment scheduler, ease of use. So normally when a student comes to your website, they look around, they like what they see, and they want to speak to somebody. So they'll either phone you or they're going to send you an email. Then you go back and forth and you try to set up a meeting or some kind of testing. With a scheduler, they can just click on a button, they can select a time that's convenient for them and a date, and it's done. So it's just easy for the students, makes it really convenient. And you get all their details. You get their name, email address, phone number, etc., and it's stored. It's always on. So usually if you're not using one, the only time a student can communicate with you is generally during working hours. So if they're phoning you, it has to be in working hours. If they send you an email, it could be over to, on a Friday, they're not going to get a response till Monday. And but with a scheduler, it's always on. They can book on weekends, they can book a time, whenever they want. And you can set the scheduler, what times you're available. So it's always on. Increased attendance. When somebody books with a scheduler, they're going to get an email to confirm the meeting. Then, 24 hours beforehand, they'll get a reminder email or an SMS. So this increases attendance. They're not going to forget about it. They get reminders and, you're not going to waste your time. It organizes your information better. Usually when somebody phones you, somebody's got to take down the number, then that has to be kind of put into your data, your database. Same with the emails. This way, it's all saved, and you can just download it and you can upload that into whatever system you're using. It helps with your marketing. So it doesn't matter what you're doing. If you're doing blogging, you can, within the blog, you can sort of say, book a time to speak with us, book a free testing. It doesn't matter whether it's your blogs or your Google Ads or Facebook. Essentially you want to talk to your students as soon as possible. So this is going to help with all your marketing when you have a scheduler set up. Okay, it saves time. Like I said, it's not going back and forth. You don't have to waste time, sending emails back and forth, trying to find a good time to meet. Same with phone calls. It just cuts down. It's all automated. Plus the reminders, it's all automated for you. It reduces mistakes. So, if you're on a phone call, you might take the number down wrong or incorrectly. Same with your email address, you might get the wrong details. This way, it reduces a lot of mistakes. And the great thing is there's a lot of free ones involved. So today we're going to talk about Calendly. It's a very free, easy one to use. So what's a good free appointment schedule? Calendly. Okay, let me show you how it works. Okay, so how's this going to make you or get you more students? Okay, so normally when a student comes to your website, they look around, blah, 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 blah. This is our website. They like what to see. Then they go to the contact button. They send you an email. You write back to them. It might be back and forth. And it's kind of very, it's hard to sell things over email. What's better? To have somebody, talking to you where you can explain the benefits of these courses, it's a lot better than email. So when you use Calendly, they'll give you a link. You put the link, embed it in a button. This button says free trial hour. Excuse me. We have it, throughout the site, free trial hour. And we have it on every page. So when they click that button, they get brought to your calendar. Okay, so here we are. Here is the booking, the scheduler. I can book a time. I can book, a day, a time, whenever. And basically that's it. It's just so easy. And that's the golden rule. Make it as easy as possible for your students to talk to you. When you get them on an online meeting, this is your sales call. You can give them all the benefits. You can tell them how you're different. You can sell the course a lot better if they're there in front of you. And, okay, now we're online. But even before we were all online, if you can get somebody into your school to talk to you, it's a lot easier to sell your courses. Okay, so I hope you found that useful. Let me know if you have any feedback. Thanks.